Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy someone's profile's link on Roblox. First, you just need to open your default browser and search for the roblox.com. Here it is. Now search for it. Let me show you. And here you can see you will find this type of interface if you have logged into your profile using your browser for once. Then it will just save your login information, and you can just use that information without relogging to your account. So from here you will find this type of interface if you have downloaded the Roblox application on your device. If it's installed here, so don't continue with your app. So don't continue in app. You just tap on this button here, continue in browser. Here it is. Now make sure you are continuing your account on browser. Now you will find this three line button here at the top left corner. You just tap on it, and from here you will find communities. Sorry, not communities actually. You can just go to the home and you can just search for the person from here. Any person, you can just search for it, or you can go with your friends. For example, I want to copy this person's profile link, so I just tap on it, and I just need to go to the view profile, just double tap on it, and from here you just need to find out that there is no option, dedicated option to copy someone's profile link on Roblox, but there's a way to copy their link or get into their profile with that single link. You can just tap on this search box here, search bar here, and here it is the link of that user. Let me copy it. I'm going to select all here. Now I'm going to copy that option here. Now I'm going to delete it, and if I paste it here again, so you can find that the person's profile name has been popped up here, appeared here. So that's mean we have just got the profile link of that person. So it's pretty simple. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.